If you're looking for a quick and easy 20-minute dinner that's plant-based, full protein, and super satiating, and it tastes like it came from a restaurant, then you have to try this simple and easy teriyaki tofu recipe. So let's make it. So we're gonna start by pressing our tofu. I'm gonna be using super firm tofu. It has a little bit of a higher protein count than just firm tofu, but you can use just firm if that's all that you can find. So with the super firm, you don't have to press it that much. There's not that much water in it, but with the firm, it might need a little bit longer in the tofu press. If you don't have a tofu press at home, that's okay. You can just wrap the tofu in a cloth and then place it on a plate with a couple of cookbooks on top or another heavy object and let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then you just press down to release any of the water. Once our tofu is pressed, we're going to tear it into 1-inch pieces. Tearing it into 1-inch pieces instead of cubing it is actually going to allow for the tofu to absorb more flavor in the teriyaki sauce so that it tastes more like a traditional teriyaki dish. You just kind of like tear it from the cube and you want like 1-inch pieces like that. And then you plop it into a bowl and we're gonna mix it with arrowroot starch and soy sauce. So now we're just gonna do 2 tablespoons of arrowroot starch or cornstarch. This is going to help our tofu pieces crisp up in the saute pan. And then a tablespoon of soy sauce. And now we just toss together. Now set that aside, and now we're going to heat up some sesame oil and add in our minced garlic and cook that until the garlic is lightly browned. And then we're gonna add in our tofu and let that cook as well. So while the tofu is crisping up in the pan, we're just going to quickly mix together our teriyaki sauce. So in our bowl, we have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, all right, and then a 1/4 cup of water, tablespoon of rice vinegar, and then a tablespoon of maple syrup. And then we just mix together really quick, and then we're going to pour it into our tofu. So now we're just going to cook this on medium-high heat for the sauce to thicken up and get kind of sticky. It'll take about 3 to 5 minutes, just lightly sauteing it and mixing the tofu around so that it doesn't stick to the pan and that your sauce evenly coats all the tofu pieces. Now, once our teriyaki tofu is done, we're gonna plate it with some rice. You can also add in a veggie too. Add the tofu and sprinkle with some sesame seeds, and then enjoy. And there you have it. It's quick, easy, simple. It's ready in under 20 minutes. And on a busy work night, that's all that you need. So you can find the full recipe on thebananadiaries.com, link down below in the description box. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be notified when more recipe videos like this fall into your feed. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.